It's another form of cover about for 1G. Message so when you subscribe to for 1G. Message so subscribe. No, I like no share, no one turn on notification bell. So I update BI by you know. On submit me, I can make house. So comment section on your dear message so will be commenting be a cost of 101. And a boga yemre boga and then what they have done in Suya or Tribunium train. Mr. Showboy. Showdown, Mr. Showdown. Here Kennedy at Japan. Just say there was a defamation case be a court or Ghana Hanum say Ghana Court of Law no etna asem no so ebuaye na ne buaye na chi no mu buama Kennedy at Japan so on e de bim or Ghana Hanum say ne nyina ye one anas nsensem enioma anas aka fa no ho se ono ne ku ameswale ne nsem bebre no na abrante anas ne ho se Kennedy Japan tene ne gieso ye pa wo Ghana hanom se na all say ne din a what take so many years abuild nti anas anti ase de asem no ekọ New Jersey, yes, New Jersey na ode koye no court no nsem nche mere normal people are omonam kuruma omunye law nim ho hwe and omofro omoma because that law exists say with me after a mere person a judge say after so much judge we then we take it to the court and as a lawyer no so make it final decision na and some mere people omonam abonten and the judge amode mind the same thing na court na yeah and then just say Ninuana na ope MP amana na esini trase o se eja ene de kabe no akwa fa bai $18 million and that announce sorry that Kennedy Japan ti so adane adwendwen osuni areho mum yenko he video a esi tamana eye asam no ekoso court of law no ho a high court of law ye ba de akabia na ye be so
no e defend no emfa Kennedy so neto no ye pia na hye corner showdown I am re showdown at court wa din judge bi ani wa onim no eye clerk bi ani wa onim no bailiff bi ani wa onim no sa court we enya ho ne akoka do you know who I am or do you know me I say yenka do you know me haven't you heard about my name? If you don't take care, you take care. Sadia the bini America court, a bini ho. Into read my lips, and then Nakotana Quanchain, where Superior Court of New Jersey, and Young Quanchain Court. We any in summer course or quarter, may mark gallery nika crack. A couple gangwan, a lawyer bakuno, you may be offer. Ain't he, and a dahono. A New Jersey Superior Court, Canada Japan, and Yemiana Shencheno. Ultimin Kasa, Boga Emre. Onim Obia Okakunano, Akoya, do you know me? Don't you know I am Akroma Canada Japan? Unim semi free for su. I am the MPP financier. MPP financier, a Juma Ba, a Namda Ponoso. Then train a bowie, also Korea Kokon. Kennedy. 18 million at that table, so also per 9.5 million. Maybe 9 million the other day. Then train a boat table no sono we are also pa kokon and the anas akoku nentwia bro anas say 18 million nentwie we nentwi no bo we Kennedy isi ebe wi akokon ne kon obi say judgment dey say na heaven be you ebeka obi ane ne lawyer judgment dey no heaven say ya o ebeka obi ane ne lawyer but you say lawyer no fum na ka oguan out wo ai heaven is say the be no be can judgment today. A be say obi an a lawyer. Otu abo so I'm urinating, I'll be back. Fum no afa second door no awuram. Now that want to watch a lawyer. Judgment today say the be e be ka obi an a lawyer. Okay. We a court exclusive na me dem no. Canada Japan eto no. Ai e koso court wo orkodo 18 million showdown. They train the ball on Kennedy so pa kokon. In the showdown and ye piano ko si enchen. Momi enko enim gallery na na ekoso no. After this about atene chire. Sa akonwa no so obi atene makotene chire na say emu aye ding. Boga kana no esi so. Read my lips. Boga reading lips no. Say oh so boga kana no nesi so is saying. Na say eya giegu $18 million. Hit. $18 million. Ya de apim Kennedy also tia. Ana asekura bo no me bo besia. Ana asekura me ho kire me ti besia also me bo besia pe 500k ma me fanya me nyoma anas. Utieti lawyers nyina wi a 500k die wan fa ma me dia me no ba ku bewu. Enti boga read my lips and waka lips na sisi no wakotena nchen. Why say you say ni bra ba. Me de me ye kote beka me kote ye and I made the evidence be chiro because when you say ebi mo ho magimi Kevin Taylor boa otan Kennedy we anya me Kennedy asemo Kennedy ni anas na anas we ni $18 million. They see o court no and I made the chiro enye bosremu ka me ma blog is eduane edi Kennedy won sensem part 1 and 2. Now koso Kennedy Japan niana o ka se nka onkodi MP no onie ono se ko court we see the trase e kaba akoko kontwa apetire ne tiesi form Kennedy nuane nie we na not radio so ye Kennedy will contest the 2028 elections onie we see the trase mebra de na wakofa be kakra ya yesi ye nende o me rekoma na asa akodi ase no obema Kevin Taylor 500,000. Enti Kennedy nuane nie we na okopri seat na ya nto ama no omo nka no kre de otieche o de minim ebia omo busu apenya na sankofo no ebia omo wo African market ni bi no ai enti Kennedy nuane so nie we see the trase ye bo 80 million so no we see the trase say titi wo bi ka titi wo bi kire. Now Niniano still out to me say na why emre eduru baby no Kennedy nuano you can see amabo jukromu nyi pressure ba this year a court season me so me ba be court omo mu defame me me lawyer defame a judge in America. I am going to court. Now let's watch a video. They see our court time and a judge and a catcher Kennedy say he has the right to take the next action.
Okay, so
we're exclusive. Uhuno baby, it's all on this platform. Meboni nyina mo ahwe. Introduce some time I understand that this platform is huge. Mashada. Bloggers ni pekakra ko didi. Mitisu yo mo twa ye ko didi. Da be munya would say. Inti court no Kennedy. Mr. Arim Yao Anas. Kennedy lawyers. Anas lawyers. And you could see, Metro, I'll show you the video. And that's what transpired. And this footage, from Anas, they were given the permission to film what happened in court. Court season 1. It may be sure what actually happened. Kennedy the Sheblusha no Jina Kona Hona, kana asama children say, Asam ya kewie. Ye diet yaw. Uwo bibia ye. This is an exclusive video. Hankwana be anywhere else on any platform. Also, who say the first place who's a video no. I need to ask my team first if I should go ahead and show the video again. Team. No. I've spoken to Omoteki footage. We got our team to go in there. We wrote a permission, and then they gave us the permission to film. Inti, whatever you are seeing, exclusive footage. No. We have done that clearance, Mr. S. Now let's go back and watch.
Okay, so the court's decision, if we start at the end, court is denying the request for mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything?
No, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thanks so much for record.
So there's one thing you need to take notice of. Anas was still wearing nose mask in court. But over Ghana, judge to meet Naka says Anas saying nose mask na yendi asem. You see the difference. You see how our judiciary in Ghana. You see how our judiciary in Ghana, how bad some of our judges are. The judge sitting in that courtroom in New Jersey is looking at the facts and evidence before him. How you dress to court is up to you. It is your presentation in court, how the jury will see you. Whether you wear a nose mask or not, at the end of the day, it is your case, the substantive case, your evidence is what they are looking at. Because they are dealing with the law. They are not looking at individuals. And in Oba Krumha, the law itself is blind. It does not look at faces, background, economically where you are coming from, or financial, or whatever. It's looking at the case, the law. They are applying it. So whether somebody is dread, whether somebody is wearing a nose mask, whether somebody is wearing a face shield, what is more important to the jury and the judge is that look at the evidence before you. Look at it and apply the law and let's see. But don't say, Senya Omubu Asamgu Anas so Ghana was that it wasn't the substantive issue Anas had brought to court. Anas trying to defend himself. In Ghana, the Edibuati Anas say yes, nose mask be Anas face mask be. Say Anas say yeah. That means Anas is guilty. This is where we are as a nation. Judge to me say because of face mask, nose mask, because I want you to look in a certain way in my court. You know, if you don't look that way, I am going to call you a criminal. I am going to label you a criminal. That is the danger in our judiciary. And that is what we need to look at. Are we looking at a substantive case that is before us as judges, as judiciary, or we are looking at the characters or the individuals standing before us? And when you go to Ghana, the judiciary today look at the people involved in the case than the case itself. And that is the beginning of our end. And that is what is running this country down. It is not to bully yourself your way through. No, it doesn't work like that. This is 2025 for crying out loud. It is not easy. You cannot just muscle your way through. Until we need to let the people understand. That is why some of us were calling for serious overhauling of our judiciary. And our judiciary needs serious overhauling. Because from what we have seen over the years, what we have experienced, the kind of inconsistencies, the consistency in the inconsistencies in our courts, now in Ghana, we need to check it or this country will go down. And this government needs to take the most biggest, difficult, bitter pill when it comes to judiciary reforms. Serious reforms needs to be done. We cannot have judges who think or who believe or who in their senses feel too entitled to serve the people. It needs to end. I was say a sucha because we've been to me go to be board dear keke near money 25 years. Na kwa champagne yi bimbo krono and Korea buy $50 million. Near and say plea bargain. No, it is not supposed to be like that. Yen to me chigan and ninko to fiase 25 years say or ya hwiase or ya galamse na Chinese needy a excavated jina minimum e tuamena na adia bechi ade beko court yes Chinese for nyina ahye na jajajiatum. That needs to change. We cannot be slaves in our country. No. You, the judges that we have given opportunity and this opportunity to sit in our courtrooms, you are not supposed to turn we, the people who gave you the power, slaves. You can't do that. You need to be conscious about the things you do. Because today, the highest bidder walks in our courtrooms without anything, without shoes, spits shit in any courtroom, and they walk freely. innocent people plead, get on their knees, we still put them behind bars because there's nobody to pay for them, there's nobody to speak for them. This should tell you something. The judgment Anas Arimiana Anas has gotten, they are very embarrassing about this whole thing was that Kennedy Japan winning defamation case against Anas or Ghana. No? He lifted that same case and brought it to the United States. A jury said that does not really hold. That is a slap in the face of our judiciary. It means that defamation case now, Kennedy Japan winning or Ghana, no, basically the evidence that supports the case, no, is flawed.
For what in summer a course, a hon will be any mobile or more. Said the tailor air can be any mobile and yemen a meme, MPP Kuno, memena may firm Kennedy Japan. Do you know me? And who son and some kikaya, basa sebi, a horns are US New Jason, High Court or the Bini Honum, winning mobile, and then Kennedy Japan are channel which has a watada and I relax, won't say a cap fee. $18 million and Anas are winning over the defamation case Kennedy Japan at the throne so just a Akroma and the Nami Buzaze so Kesi judgment na course Akroma what is behind it is because of say Kennedy Japan war power nana by war power na or MPP finance and engine demand. If you don't remove your face, there you go. So, share Newz US courtroom one, Anas was wearing a mask. They also was sharing no, and court no found because dressing and baby be on found evidence of one and on the original so dear buasem. And Kennedy Japan was shocked. And in Vienna or play MPM was sitting. A baby I say I can't on one lawyer for in a baby afa. I can't unyame. Aka unu nyame ene Mr. Showdown why mre e kwan be no mefa so tutu ese skawi e kwan be so and Chrome had no man to say we is superior to extent say we is superior more than some judges because there was a time where we could not cassette some judges we ya ntan wasem bi na akokoti wo ho so wompe open and treaty and when you treaty a shocking news onyakura wontumem because ye buzan say ya judge we ya ye bibia we wo bibika Kennedy ni hweka ene e ka ba fie da be no aba power ye betete kakra bo eka ana ba fie na mga say I Alpha OneTV so when you subscribe to Alpha OneTV so be subscribe no like no share no turn on notification bell on so be update be here no so with me I can make so comment section on your there me so be leave comment me be akoso one